Hi, I'm Dan from Whitecliffe Electrical, and today I want to show you how to insert a surge protection device into a standard consumer board in compliance with the 18th edition regulations. So I've got with me a LVE consumer board, probably you've installed many of these before, and to put the surge protection device you don't need to change very much. So first of all I'm going to remove the buzz bar from across the bottom, and also the neutral cable for the moment, and I'm going to clip out the 100 amp incomer. Okay, so how do we wire these up and how do we install them? So I have an extra piece of live cable, an extra piece of neutral cable. Insert the live into the live of the surge protection, and also the neutral into the neutral of the surge protection. Into the live of the incomer. And into the neutral of the incomer. Okay, so essentially that is how it's going to sit in the board, except, as I say, I'm just going to take the neutral out of the incomer for a moment, bring on my board, because the neutral from the top of the consumer board is going to go in the neutral of the incomer as normal, along with this neutral cable from the surge protection device. Both will sit together on the DIN rail there. So I'm just going to put this flat for a moment while I fasten those in, clip those into place. Okay, so I appreciate you can't see this just for a moment. I'm going into the neutral of the incomer. Make sure there's plenty of cable exposed. Okay. Okay, so if you can see, the surge protector is in with the live to the live of the surge protector, neutral to the neutral, and also the neutral from the top of the consumer board still going in to the neutral of the incomer there. We can put our piece of buzz bar back in as normal from the live across, in this case our RCBOs or MCBs, depending on what you're using. So let's insert that. Nice and tight. Okay, once again, neutral from the top of here into the neutral of your incomer, then a neutral cable from your incomer to your surge protection device, and then your live cable from the incomer to your surge protection device, and also your buzz bar across the bottom there. One other thing, I've got a piece of earthing cable, goes from the top of the surge protection device to the top of our consumer board. Let's do it right. And that is all in place. So the important thing to note is that your live from your external live that comes in still goes into the top of your incomer. It does not go into your surge protection device, because essentially how this works is if there should be a surge, the surge protection device draws off the surge and takes it to your earth. So the surge does not go into your incomer and then through your RCBOs or MCBs, because the surge protection device draws that off. It would be exactly the same if we were using a three-phase board as well, except that at the moment our three-phase boards don't have space in them for the surge protection device. So you would need, in that case, an external unit still with a surge protection device in. So now your neutral and your live cable would come from your three-phase incomer to the surge protection, back out again into your three-phase board, into the incomer. But the wiring essentially is exactly the same. So there you have a standard consumer board with a surge protection device in line with the 18th edition regulations. Thanks for watching. Why not check out what other products we have at Whitecliffe Electrical on our website at wced.co.uk and look out for future how-to videos. Thanks again.